It's dark in here.
It's just the way it looks on film. It will actually be lighter when we...
Your Friday rate update.
Amazing.
Tell us about...
Absolutely amazing.
I can't even quote your rate because they're getting better every minute.
The rate sheet doesn't even go down that low because it's, what is it?
It's unbelievable is what it is. We're down to record lows again.
Here, I'm actually, you're watching live. Well, you're not really seeing it, but I'm actually looking up to see what's going on. Oh my gosh, the bond market is up 119 points. That's like the stock market going up like 5,000 points in one day. Seriously.
This is
Big
on
news.
the news. Would you like to share?
The Fed announced today their QE3 program. Quantitative easing program number 3. And it is officially buying mortgage-backed securities to the tune of $40 billion, with a B, billion dollars per month. For how long?
Ever.
Ever.
Indefinitely. However long it takes.
Until the economy is recovered.
Now, who's buying these? Let's explain that.
Well, the U.S., the Federal Reserve is buying these. Well, you and me.
Exactly. We are. The government.
Yeah.
Us.
Yeah.
So anyway, take advantage of these rates. We're trying not to be sarcastic.
Yes, because what could change, in all seriousness, is that the bond market is just crazy high today, which means rates will get better. But here's the thing, reality check time, rates aren't going to just dramatically drop because nobody can handle the volume. That's just the bottom line. So banks aren't going to pass it on. So guess who's going to get all this money? The banks are going to get this money. But and that's one way of controlling it, is not lower the rates, because if they lowered the rates down to what they should be, then they'd be flooded with new business, and they can't handle it as it is right now, so that's what they do.
They can't handle it right now, let alone with more new business, so they're going to keep the margin.
But they will get better.
Yeah.
That's the bottom line. But then the other thing is that it could turn around, because the number one killer to bonds is inflation. So this is a very inflationary measure, what they're doing. It's going to make the dollar drop in value, which is they're going to cause inflation. So
yeah.
So
by the way, today is Thursday.
Yeah.
So lots changes happening all the time. So Friday may be different story. So Thursday afternoon right now, 4 o'clock or so. So as always, if there's anything that we can do for you as far as pre-approvals and or refinancing, feel free to contact Steve or myself.
And just something to know for your clients as you talk with people, that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are making it easier to do those HARP refinance loans and short sales. So they've shortened the time. Actually, I don't know exactly when it's going to become official. I think it's sometime in November, to where they're only going to count it for 2 years against your credit if you've had
I
a
hadn't
short
heard
sale.
that yet.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so if you do a short sale, it's like a foreclosure. Now it's like 4 years. They're going to shorten it to 2 years. That's something
Actually,
to pick
3
up
on
the phone.
FHA. And,
Yeah, so it's going to be shorter than it is on FHA.
It's like a bankruptcy.
Yeah.
2 years.
Yep.
Good news. So bottom line, though, as you guys know, it's I've talked to a couple realtors this week, and one of our discussions was, 50% of the people out there are just not our clients. They don't have equity. They have bad credit. They're getting ready to move as far as out of state. So, make sure you know who your clients are. And as always, if we can help in any way, open houses, flyers, anything you can think of as far as co-marketing, I know Steve and I are always available for it. So you guys have a great weekend. Hopefully the Chiefs can do a little better this weekend.
I haven't made
Don't
it
be
official.
negative. Don't be negative.
No, but I said to my wife the other day, I said, I think I'm going to officially become a Redskins fan.
Ooh.
RG3,
Have a great weekend.
baby.
He did look good.
Yeah, he did look good.
Have a good weekend. Take care.
Bye.